Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. So, are you looking for a luxury new construction home in Huntersville, North Carolina, with ranch floor plans, primary suites on the main level, and stunning queen brick elevations? Then you are going to want to see today's home tour. Today, we are taking a look inside Amara Run by Shea Homes, a brand new luxury community in the highly desirable Lake Norman area of Huntersville, North Carolina. Now, one of the things I love most about this location is convenience. Amara Run is situated just north of I-485 and east of I-77, putting you less than 20 miles from Uptown Charlotte and the Charlotte Douglas International Airport. So, whether you are commuting for work, traveling frequently, or simply enjoying everything the Charlotte region has to offer, this location keeps you connected while still giving you that peaceful suburban feel. Nestled in the beautiful Lake Norman region, Amara Run offers residents access to wooded trails, scenic beauty, parks, greenways, and outdoor recreation. Now, Huntersville itself has so much to offer, including shopping, restaurants, breweries, sports facilities, aquatic centers, walking trails, and even an interactive children's museum. Once completed, the community will feature 82 home sites, creating a more intimate neighborhood feel while still offering plenty of space and privacy. Homes in this community range from approximately 2420 to 3816 square feet, offering 3 to 6 bedrooms, 2 to 4.5 bathrooms, and 2 to 3 car garages. Current pricing starts around $733,000. One of the standout features of this community is its flexibility. Several floor plans offer highly sought-after ranch designs or primary suites on the main level, making them ideal for multi-generational living or buyers looking for long-term convenience. And let's talk about the curb appeal. These homes feature beautiful queen brick elevations and brand new Shea Homes Carolina's color palettes, creating timeless exteriors that feel elegant and inviting. Future community amenities are currently being developed and will include walking trails and trail connections, a dog park, cornhole areas, and a pavilion and outdoor gathering spaces. The HOA dues are currently $100 per month. Now, for today's tour, we are taking a look at the Blythe Loft floor plan. This impressive two-story home offers approximately 2860 to 3318 square feet with 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Pricing for this floor plan starts around $777,000. What really makes the Blythe Loft stand out is the incredible list of features and customization options. One of the biggest highlights, though, is the main level primary suite, giving homeowners the convenience of first floor living while still having additional space upstairs. Additional features include optional indoor and outdoor fireplaces, a dedicated den or flex space, large walk-in closets and pantry, a spacious laundry room with an optional sink, a convenient drop zone at the owner's entry, and optional bay windows in the primary bedroom. Upstairs, you'll find a bonus room that can even be upgraded with an optional wet bar, making it perfect for entertaining, movie nights, or hosting guests. There's also unfinished storage space that can be converted into an optional guest suite, along with available garage extensions for even more functionality. What I love about Shea Homes is their attention to detail and the way they design homes that truly fit the way people live today. Amara Run combines luxury, functionality, and a prime Huntersville location, all while being surrounded by the natural beauty of the Lake Norman area. So if you're considering new construction in Huntersville, Charlotte, or the Lake Norman region, this is definitely a community worth adding to your list. If you would like more information about Amara Run, available home sites, builder incentives, or representation for your new construction purchase, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this model. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.